Hello friends, welcome to Padma Priya's Cuisine. Me and my kids together are making an eco-friendly Ganesha and my daughter would be explaining the process.
It's very easy to make with just the materials available at home. Everybody knows that toxic colors cause pollution to the environment, so we are using natural materials. I am using 1 cup maida and 1 cup turmeric. Add water to make a soft dough out of it. Here my mother is doing it for me. This is for the tummy, this is for the base, for the head, for the crown, this is for the 2 legs, for the 2 hands, these 2 are for the ears, and this is for the trunk. Flatten the first ball to make a base for the Ganesha. Dip your finger into a bowl of water to smoothen the cracks. Smoothen as much as possible. Now attach the body to the base. Make small holes for attaching the hands and legs. Now mold the hands, legs and trunk. For the head, make sure it is a little bit in a triangular shape. Apply some water on the top of the body and attach the head. To make sure the head doesn't fall out, use a toothpick for the support. For smoothing the edges, use a smooth tool. I am using a toothpick and a chopstick from my mom's kitchen. Now attach the hand to either side of the body. Like the head, also attach the hands and smoothen the points. Here I had forgot to add the leg, but it is better to add the leg first so that the hand gets the support. Now attach the ears to the head of the Ganesha. Use the same technique to smoothen all joints. Now add the holy thread and then the trunk. Now for the trunk, make sure it is a bit fat and draw lines on it with a toothpick. For the crown, take a small ball and make it into a plate and attach it on the Ganesha's head by adding some water. Do the same with other two other balls and attach it on the big one. The circle behind the head of the Ganesha, take a small piece of the dough and cut it into a shape of a sun or a flower. Here my mom is using a cookie cutter. Attach it with a toothpick to the head of the Ganesha. To make the mushak and keep it near the Ganesha, you can also keep a plate of laddus instead of it. Now take cake decorating pearls or normal pearls for the eyes. Here we used an eyeliner for drawing the eyebrows and the eyeballs. You can also use any other natural paint. Here we used kumkum mixed in water to paint the red dhoti and the trunk. Here I used white food color to paint the vibhuti. I took all these materials from my mom's cake decoration kit. Paint the trunk and the dhoti with the kumkum. Now mark the fingers with a toothpick. Make as many decorations as you like. We painted the crown with edible gold color. I used cake decorating pearls for decorating my Ganesha. Make small pieces of a toothpick and attach the tusks. Make sure the right one is not pointed. Now our eco-friendly Ganesha is ready. Isn't it cute? Make only eco-friendly Ganeshas and stop pollution. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my mom's channel Padma Priya's Cuisine. Bye bye.